I have been up literally since 2:40 in the morning, and it is 8:30 now. I tried to just lay there and sit, nothing. Tried to do some prayer, meditation. That lasted for a minute. Then get on my iPad, did some stuff, fooling around. Then took my laptop out, started doing work in the bed, and now it's 8:30, and Chillin and I are headed to the gym, and then we have a 10:30 1.5 hour massage. Can't wait. Super excited to do that. My body just needs to be rubbed on badly. Work all these kinks out. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't feel like making the bed. I don't feel like washing my dishes after breakfast. I just don't feel like it. Thinking that I look pretty bummy, right? Well, number one, it's van life. y'all be wanting somebody to look all bummy and stuff. Oh, she wear makeup. Oh, she's dressed up. Oh, she has nails. And yada yada yay, yada yada you. I ain't thinking about y'all. But we're on the way to go shower. There's no point in me putting clothes on just to put clothes on. So this is what we're rocking today.
I know. Well, I was early, but then I was like, maybe I'm too up. So I decided to be late. Hi, friend.
Guys, we are back from our massage, and literally, I feel like we just been going all day.
Yeah.
When we were pulling into our driveway, Ashlyn was like, "We're home." This is our home. We've been here for a week now, and we'll probably be here for, a couple more days. So.
Oh my God! Look how pretty that valley is. I think we should go.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you're busy. But.
How was the massage?
Oh my gosh! Like, it was amazing. Now I feel like I need a massage because of my massage.
I admit it was great. It was a really, really great. The lady I had was great. The guy she said it was great.
He got every deep tissue that I mentioned.
Ooh, every deep tissue, she says. After, I'm sorry, I'm just not picking up the camera, but I literally been present. After our massage, we got something to eat and went to the beach. Sat by the beach and had lunch, right?
It was cute. Yes.
It was cute. It was
That
cute.
was a surprise. She surprised me. I didn't know we were gonna go to the water, the beach, and have
Yes. So we wanted today to be relaxing. The rest of the day to be relaxing and enjoy the sun. It's actually hot today. It's really hot. 79-ish. But I know y'all gonna ask. It is hookah, tobacco free, nicotine free, shisha. I know y'all gonna ask, what is she doing? You ain't never seen. I do carry a hookah in my van with me. And again, it is tobacco and nicotine free shisha.
Show your friends how fancy it looks.
I just showed them.
You did? Wait, did you show your friends the whole shebang? You should show them like where it came from. But we laugh a lot. We laugh a lot and we laugh loud. Not in the middle of the night.
Her. You already know my laugh, okay? And it's obnoxious. Y'all know that. But she has me beat 10 times over.
Yeah, I do.
This is how it is.
Ha! No!
Ha! It's like she's having a seizure, but that's literally her laugh. And that was loud.
No.
That was really loud, y'all.
No.
These cookies are so hard.
But you look like you're enjoying them.
Anywho, we're just chilling for the rest of the day, y'all. If anything pops off.
Pop, pop. We might not show you. We will just tell you about it later.
We may or may not be back.
Oh,
who knows?
friends.
But I do apologize. We didn't do much after the massage. We just went to the beach and ate. Y'all want to see us eat? No. They do. They be like, you can be tying your shoelace and I still want to see. I laughed so hard. Y'all so sweet though. But I promise, I'm going to try to get better. But
I think I'm also distracting her because I'm not good with the camera and she's trying to be accommodating. So but yeah, she's going to do better. I'm going to hold her accountable for it.
You can't count on her to hold me accountable. She was supposed to hold me accountable in regards to not eating like crap, and she got me eating these cookies. So I don't believe that.
They know you're keto.
These are not. These are the other ones.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. I didn't know you went rogue.
An accountable partner is supposed to ask those questions.
I didn't know you went rogue like that. Like, you went rogue. Those are the normal chocolate chip cookies.
Hello out there in TV land. y'all TV land, obviously. Mother dearest think y'all's TV land, so y'all just gonna be TV land. Today we have an exciting day. Arjun and I are going to be doing an adventurous activity. We are renting an ATV. I think that's what they're called, ATV. They're not actual four-wheelers, but they're ATVs. So the little cart things, I don't even know how to explain it, but you'll see when we get there. She has been looking at these things since we arrived here on this land, come up and down the dirt roads. And so today, a week and a half later, we are finally doing it. We are going to be renting one for 4 hours. We're pretty excited about that. You guys have been asking and saying, can you do this? Can you do that? Well, this is an adventurous activity that we kind of splurged on. We've been splurging all week. This is just a week of activity. I'm with someone who likes to spend money like me and who likes to have fun like me and likes to have fun and spend money like me. So if you got something to spare, enjoy life. That's all I got to say. And I'm doing just that. I have ordered a water filter. What is this called? Water filter thingy majig. FYI, so I do be hearing y'all telling me to get a water filter, blah, 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 and all this good stuff. So I do have a water filtration system underneath my sink. So whenever water comes out of this faucet, then it is filtered. However, I don't have one that I didn't even know I needed for when I actually fill water before it comes into the tank. So I bought this thing off Amazon. It's a water pure sign, taste pure something, water filtration system. And so basically what it does is filters the water before it enters the tank. Okay, so thanks to y'all. I don't know how this goes, but I guess I should read the directions. Thanks to y'all, I have this water filtration system before it enters the tank. Is there even a direction thing on here? No. Okay, yes. Attach incoming supply hose to filter with narrow pointing in direction of water flow. What does that mean? Okay, I'm just gonna figure out when I get there. Next time I fill up. But that's that. It's gonna go in my little Versace cubby hole. That's that. I'm going to finish getting prepared for our day. And I will see you in just a bit. This girl is taking a shower. And guys, you don't have to have a fancy shower like I do. If you're a fancy girl and need a fancy shower, then get you a fancy shower. But if you're not and just want another option instead of building out a shower in your van, you can have this tent. And she puts what, I don't know what she does in there, but this is her tent. Like I'm saying, so if you don't necessarily need, or have the funds to build out a shower in your van, then there are definitely other options like that. I built out a shower in my van because I wanted the comfortability, the convenience, and the privacy to shower in my van. That's something that I needed. So if that's not a need for you, do what's best for you. Y'all already know. I tell y'all all the time, do what's best for y'all. And this is one of those things that you just have to really determine what your needs are. All right. Yeah. Last night was the first almost full moon, and today will be the actual full moon. Ashlyn wants to have a full moon party. I don't know how that looks, but that's what we're going to do, is have a full moon party, get some more wood for our firewood, and really end off our time together here in this BLM land as a little community that's dwindling down, and enjoy the rest of our time together. So she's making all this racket over here. I just don't know what she's talking about, what she's singing about. She's making so much racket, all this racket. She's making racket. I don't get it. What's all this racket you making? What are you saying over here? What's going on?
Why are your friends so close?
Why are your friends so close? Last night, guys, we sat in her car. Yes, I was in her car. She hosted. We had we ordered some wings and some food, right? And we sat and played Uno. She thought she was going to win, and although it was a close call.
Oh, yeah.
It was a close call,
okay,
but
friends?
I won 4 out of 3.
Let me talk to your friends for 5 seconds.
No. I won 4. She won 3. And
yeah, it makes sense. You only played 7 games.
yeah, but so we stopped. I won.
No, she was
I won.
No.
I won.
Why would you?
I won. I won. It is what it is. She did a good. She started off great. She won the first 2 rounds, and then I won the second, and then she won another, and then I won another, and then she won another, and then I kept winning. So I won 4 games. You won 3. It is what it is. I won.
Yeah, you won.
Say it again.
You won.
Okay.
You can move that up and down. It's hard to move.
Oh my God.
Okay, so whenever you get in, so one time is to heat it up and get it started. Your foot has to be on the brake. And that's how you get it started.
Okay.
What else? You guys are full of gas, so you shouldn't need to fuel up. Whenever you come back, just park over there.
Okay.
And then you'll just pay for whatever fuel you use while you're out.
So we are in our ATV, and how do you feel?
I'm excited.
I'm a little nervous, actually.
You're nervous?
I am very nervous.
Oh my God, girl. You are the mothership of this motherboat.
Okay. Guys, we are in the ATV. It's noisy, but we're really out here in the ATV.
We're really out here though.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, I know life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now.
All right, we good. Guys, I'm letting the newbie driver drive, only because we're out of the danger zone. This is a safe zone, headed back to where we know, we're just familiar. Look, we dusty. We so dusty. I don't even the water bottle dusty. You got it? Do you know what's going on?
If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, yeah.
guys, so took a little break trying to figure out where we're gonna go. We have 2 more hours to be in the ATV. We're thinking about going to the sand dunes where it's gonna be extremely dusty, but YOLO.
It's gonna be really dusty.
So we are stranded. Something wrong with something, but it's not allowing us to go. There were some good Samaritans that pushed us in neutral back to a parking spot.
She'll tell you the story maybe of how she freaked out. Your friends of Antoinette, listen to me.
I didn't freak out.
So we were like, we have to go like off-roading. Thank you for letting me talk to your friends. So we were off-roading because we about to off-road. So I told Antoinette, girl, let's go to off the road and off-road, like do what we're supposed to do. She did it. First of all, she was screaming while doing it. Why am I listening to you? You don't even know how to drive. Oh, they're calling.
It says Montana. Hello.
Okay, you guys go around the other side.
Okay. We are finally back from our adventure, and we had an absolute ball. We have pizza. We have our cerveza. Got the fire going. Ashlyn has the fire going, and we are going to have a nice full moon party. So it is a full moon, guys, and Ashlyn has been talking about a full moon party since forever. So we have our full moon. Check it out. Started our fire. We're gonna have our pizza. So this is what our night is going to consist of: pizza, full moon fire, cerveza, and great company. Made it to Viva Las Vegas, and I can't wait to sit on this balcony tonight and relax. I'm about to go get something to eat, come back to the room, take a nice long hot shower, and get some R&R, so work done in this here king size bed. I know you're probably thinking like, Vegas, you're in Vegas? Aren't you gonna do some partying? No, I'm not. I actually came to Vegas because it was the nearest big city that I wanted to stay in, and feel like I'm on a vacation, but really not do anything on my vacation. Does that make sense? So this is where it's at. Vegas right now, although I'm in a great spot on the strip, I do not feel like doing anything. I need to focus, get some work done for the next few days, and be productive. That was the main reason why I came to Vegas. I keep saying I need a vacation. Eventually I will, have a real vacation. But this was just like my mini vacation, right? Ain't nothing wrong with that, right? All right. I am about to get something to eat. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed Ashlyn in my videos, I think this is the second video of her in there. Give us a thumbs up. Let her know what you thought about her, if she should be more active on Instagram or get a YouTube channel. Who knows? Let her know in the comment section below. As always, guys, I will see you in the next video. But stay inspired, keep dreaming, and be blessed.
Felt this coming. Can we just leave it right here, never to touch it again?